The Dritz Styling Design Ruler's straight edge makes it easy to lengthen a pattern to match your body measurement. To start, match the straight edge of the ruler to the pattern's lengthen line and cut the pattern apart. Next, tape a scrap piece of pattern tissue to the cut edge of the upper pattern piece. This creates a pattern extension. Now, extend the grain line arrow into the pattern extension. Next, use the ruler's 1/8" grid markings to measure to the desired length and draw a line across the pattern. Now tape the lower pattern piece to the new line, matching the grain line arrow. Finally, use the ruler's straight edge to blend any design lines that were interrupted by the adjustment. Remember to repeat this adjustment on any corresponding pattern pieces. Your pattern is now accurately lengthened, thanks to the Dritz Styling Design Ruler.